Guys, we're back with another video, and today
we are going to make one big slime with the rest of our clear glue we made. Go check out the... No, don't check it out because we didn't post it.
Yeah.
You could post it on my mom's. No.
Okay.
Wait, you could... No, okay, well, whatever. So we're just going to add the rest of the glues.
But you just want one. Yeah.
Well, we're going to make one big slime.
Oh, and then we're going to split it.
Yeah. So just going to empty out. We actually have a lot in here.
While we're waiting, guys, make sure to like this video, thumbs it up, give it support.
Yeah, subscribe to it. This is a great channel. I subscribe to it, so if you want to follow my lead, you subscribe.
This is the one I made.
I'm just gonna... I'll be getting my hands
Scraping.
okay? You just keep mixing, because I'm not afraid to get my hands sticky.
I'm not either. It's just like, you know, you're good at slime.
All right, I'm going to start getting my hands in this. I should need to. Hold that.
It's sticky.
Activator. Put the bowl in front of me. Put the bowl right here. Activator. Activator. Just a little bit.
That's actually slime really fast.
Yeah, this turned in. So what we do is we want this
Try
slime.
some.
We want this slime. Wait, one sec. I'm gonna first. We want this slime to be fluffy. So what we do is sometimes,
shaving cream in it.
not yet. Sometimes what we do is we add it in. We add the glue, then the shaving cream. But at the end we make sure it's sticky, and then we add in the shaving cream at the very end when the slime's all
Okay, put that in.
activated. It's really simple, actually. Slime is really simple. All you need for this slime is clear glue or just like any glue. We prefer Elmer's glue, but you could just use any glue you want.
Okay, put it down.
Not yet. I have sex in my hands.
Can I just put it in?
Elmer's glue, not yet. Elmer's glue, and if you want to make it, and then we use Tide. It makes it that instant slime you want, and it really works. Or you could use Contact Lens Solution. You could just use borax. Anything with borax in it, because borax makes it slime.
Blah, blah, blah.
And if you want to make it fluffy, add shaving cream.
Put it down.
But yeah, that's correct.
1, 2, 3.
Are we gonna split that?
Yeah, Ryan, do you want some of this, or just want that one?
Can I have some of that?
Yeah, you can have a little bit. Josie needs a lot because she herself. Alright, grab both of our slime strips. Can you go grab it? Because this one's all needed. All done. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
That was a really short video. Here is the finished slime.
Bye, guys. See
So
you
I'm going to
later.
put it on the table to just... It's really nice, so see you
looks
later.
nice. Bye.